The local self-government system in India has not proved to be effective instrument of governance. Critically examine the statement and give your views to improve the situation. 150 words, 10 marks. Introduction. The local self-government system in India, which includes Panchayati Raj institutions, PRIs, and urban local bodies, ULBs, was created to promote participatory democracy and decentralized governance. While the 73rd and 74th constitutional amendments provide a legal framework for these institutions, their effectiveness in governance is still debated. Body. Effectiveness of local self-government system, decentralization of power. For example, Kerala's People's Plan campaign successfully involved the public in local governance. Social justice, reservation of seats for women, scheduled castes, SC, and scheduled tribes, SENT, has improved representation and inclusivity in local governance. Challenges faced by local self-government. Insufficient devolution of powers. Many state governments are hesitant to delegate authority, resulting in PRIs and ULBs having inadequate powers. The Second Administrative Reforms Commission, ARC, recommended that states devolve more power to these bodies, including authority over financial resources and decision-making. Financial constraints. Local bodies in states like Bihar often struggle to generate sufficient revenue for basic services like sanitation. The second ARC suggested establishing state finance commissions to enhance financial autonomy. Political interference. This undermines the autonomy of local bodies, leading to reduced accountability and transparency. Capacity constraints. Local bodies often lack the necessary resources and technical expertise to implement development projects effectively. Suggestions for improvement. Strengthening devolution of powers. State governments should grant more authority to local bodies for effective governance. Financial empowerment. Governments should ensure adequate fiscal transfers and allow local bodies to explore additional revenue sources. Training and capacity building. Regular training programs should be organized to equip elected representatives with necessary skills. Accountability and transparency. Initiatives like social audits and e-governance should be encouraged to enhance transparency. Conclusion. By addressing these challenges and implementing suggested improvements, the local self-government system can be strengthened to deliver better governance and development outcomes for the people of India.